Hey guys, Chris here with Cable Bullet, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our touch-up paint to fix any minor scratches or dents on your handrail. Before we get started, I do want to mention that it's impossible to get a perfect color match between our powder and the touch-up paint. And for that reason, use masking tape whenever you're touching up your railing. The most common use for the touch-up paint is going to be to finish off these cut ends on your handrail. We have a stick right here. It's already masked. We're going to do 2 or 3 passes with the touch-up paint to get a nice white finish. For the occasional small chip, we don't recommend spraying the entire area with touch-up paint. Instead, we're going to take a scrap piece of cardboard, spray that, and then gently dab on the area that we want to touch up. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about how to touch up your handrail, leave those in the comments or give us a call.